Let me show you how I made over $300,000 in just 30 days dropshipping. So let's log into Shopify. And you can see we've done 10K today. We've done pretty much close to 10K yesterday. 57K for the week. And for the month, we're at 300K. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, back with another video, dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made over $300,000 in just 30 days on one dropshipping store. If this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, then where on earth have you been? Make sure, of course, you like, comment, and make sure you smash that subscribe button. And, of course, hit the notification bell as well so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. Now, of course, if you aren't a new subscriber, then you're a regular subscriber and you're going to know that this video is pure fire. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how one sold in over $300,000 in just 30 days dropshipping. And what I'm going to cover is some of the different techniques that you can use to find products. And then what I'm going to talk about is how this very secret key to staying profitable this year with Facebook adverts, especially if you're dropshipping. And then I'm going to talk a little bit about Facebook strategy as well. So this video is pure fire. Make sure you stay to the end. Plus, if you do, I am giving away a winning product at the end of this video, something that you can go out and test for yourself. So let's quit the talking. Let's jump straight into the computer and let's start learning. Okay, so let's jump straight into this video on how I made through over 300,000 in 30 days Shopify dropshipping. So first and foremost, as you can see here, from the 1st of April to the 28th of April, we done 325,000. You can see all of the numbers here. And I think around about here was when the Facebook blackout happened. Facebook pretty much threw its toys out the tram and just completely crashed on everyone. We kind of still recovered, but yeah, let me know down below in the comments as well if that Facebook blackout kind of threw a lot of things off. It did pretty much for us, but we very much were able to recover. Returning customer rate 10% generally on a dropshipping store, could be higher, but conversion rate as well very much dropped once that blackout happened. But again, still profitable, but a very solid month nevertheless. So all I want to show you is some very cool things, and we'll get cracking on with this. So make sure you stay to the end. Now, again, when you do stay to the end, I'm going to give a product giveaway, something that is currently working well. And yeah, you can test it out. If it makes money for you, then buy me a drink when you see me. If it doesn't, then, you know, no hard feelings, but make sure you test it out. So stay to the end. So first and foremost, I want to talk about product winning criteria and some of the methods that we were using this month that have been working well. So these are the 5 points which make up a winning product. So if they don't kind of fall into these categories, then 9 times out of 10 it's probably not a winning product. This is the common theme that I find with all of the winners that I have. So solves the customer's problem. They're generally easier products to sell. Or it saves the customer money, it saves the customer time, or improves the customer's confidence / appearance. Now, a lot of beauty products fall into that fourth option there. So such as, you know, crazy new looking lipsticks or eyelash curlers that make your eyelashes longer. You know, it makes women feel good, or men. You know, let's not be sexist here, whatever you're into, whatever floats your boat. The 5th point here is, you know, unique and not on the high street, but, and this is a major key, being sold to a passionate audience. Now, a lot of people sell you or try to find, unique products. However, they're not being sold to a passionate audience whatsoever. So a lot of people show me their stores and they're selling phone cases. And these are just like kind of general phone cases, or it may be a phone case which does something or other. But who's your audience? It's probably just going to be everyone who owns an iPhone. Very hard to target on Facebook. So the major key here is to sell something that is being sold to a passionate audience if it's unique. Now, to give you a live example, let's say a phone case, but it's a dog phone case. Now you're selling it to a passionate audience because pet lovers, of course, are very passionate people about their pets. And it's going to be a lot easier to convert selling that product rather than just a normal phone case. So that in itself is very much a value bomb. Now, here are 3 ways that we were using this month, which worked very well. So the first one is reverse engineering. And what reverse engineering does is very much is to trick Facebook into thinking that you are a buyer so that it shows you more dropshipping adverts. So to do that, you'd be scrolling your feed, saving adverts, liking adverts, commenting on them, and then clicking through on the advert, adding a product to your cart and initiating the checkout as well. So just to give you an example, if we I've just scrolled down and I've got this product here. Of course, what we would do is we can just always save it. I've already saved it, so save it. You can like it, comment on it, and we just click the shop now. If we click on the shop now, then here we are, and if we just click add to cart, and if we just get rid of that there and rush my order, and what we're going to do is we're going to initiate the checkout pixel. So what we're trying to do is get pixelated by Facebook so that they can show us more products. And you could do this, just spend a week scrolling down your feeds naturally. When something pops out and it is a dropshipping product, like it, comment it, do what I've just mentioned. And over time, you're going to see a lot more dropshipping products. Okay. So that's one thing that you can do. Now, the second point is create a Rolodex of stores. And what I mean by that is using something called Comm feed. And what we want to do is when we are scrolling down and we're finding these stores that have winning products, we want to basically kind of track them or index them, because these guys are going to be making money and they're going to be always constantly testing products. So that's what we want to do. Now, to do that, we want to go to something called Comm feed. You can sign up 100% free. Basically, it's an RSS feed, I believe so. And yeah, so let me just delete off. This one here because we've already made it. But I'm just going to show you how you can use Comm feed. So let's say, for example, we found this website here, that products that we just seen in our feed, and we come over to Comm feed. You can see here on the left hand side, these are just all different stores that we just like to track. Okay, and when you find something that's working, we just click subscribe, and we want to just paste in the store there. And that's what we want to do. Sorry, is we hit subscribe and hit paste, and then hit collections, and we want to type in all.atom. I've already put it in there. But then when we click save, it's going to load it. And then what we do is we click save again. It's then going to show us here. There it is there. So you can see here, these have all been launched. It'll show you in chronological order. I believe that's the saying. You can see here, so 7 hours they launched this product here. Not launched it, but they put it on their store. Yesterday, they put these products on their store. And yeah, we can just go through and keep tabs on everything that these guys are launching. If we click on all, again, all of these products have been uploaded today. And it just gives you pretty much an infinite idea of products to go out and test. So fantastic, 100% free. You can use Comm feed. Now, the third point is hire a product research VA. Now, if you are already making sales, you may want to consider this, and this will save you time and you will have a consistent flow of products. Now, this is what I personally do. I've got a VA out there who finds me products on a daily basis, puts them in a Google Sheet. I can go through and review them, tell her which ones to upload on the store. She then does it, and then we can just really quickly have a conveyor belt of products that we are consistently launching. So if you're making money, you may want to do this. And she's personally been finding, like, since I've hired her, she's had like she hasn't been working for that long, but about 4 to 5 very solid products. So I very much do recommend it. However, training, the last point I put here, training and experience is essential. So this girl personally had experience in working for another dropshipping store, but I did give her training as well. So, you very much want to make sure that you are giving them very good training so that they can follow the instructions carefully. Now, another thing is you can use Ecom Hunt, Ali Shark, and eSniper. These are just other things, these other product research websites. I did put out a video actually on Ali Shark and how to use it to find proven winning products. I'll pop a link in the top right hand corner, a card, so that you can actually check that video out as well. And also, if you do want to check out my product playlist, I've got a product research playlist on all different methods on how to actually find winning products. Then again, I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner so you can check out and watch all of my product research methods videos. So there are just some tools that you can use. Now, the secret to staying profitable in 2019, especially if you're Shopify dropshipping, trying to stay ahead in the competition. How can you do it? Now, the answer is increase your AOV, increasing your average order value. Average order value is how much someone spends on the store. So previously on that one, it was $40. The higher that is, the more you're going to be able to spend on advertising to acquire a customer. Okay, very, very, very important metric to improve your average order value. Now you may be thinking, okay, cool. Now that I know that, how can I do it? Very good question. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it now. So increase your AOV with upsells. Now, what are upsells? Personally, there's two different ways of using upsells. There's pre-upsells, which happen before the sale, which are usually at the cart page. So someone adds something to their cart, something then pops up and says, hey, you added this to your cart. Do you want this? People may add it to their cart and, check out, whatever it may be. Now, the app that I personally like to use for a upsell is this one here. I thought I had it on there. Discount, there we go. So this one here is what I like to use, discounted upsells. It's very cool. It works well. It looks great on the theme. Very simple to use. So that is one that I do like to use if you are using a pre. Now, post upsells happen after the sale. So usually at the thank you page, the person checks out on the product, something then pops up to say, hey, congratulations on your order. How about this at a discounted price? Okay. Now the app that I like to use for that is Sweet Upsell. And I have got a video on using the best way how to use Sweet Upsell. Again, I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner for that. But you can see here in the app, I've made $23,000. I've had this on my store for probably about a month, just over a month, and it's at $23,000. Conversion rate's at about 8%, and it costs just $20 per month. Now, you don't have to be very good at maths to know that sort of ROI. So I heavily recommend using Sweet Upsell to increase your average order value. Now, two strategies that you can use for upsells. The first one is upselling the same product at a discounted price. Okay, so if you are selling a low ticket product, then you can upsell, the same product at a discounted price. Or another thing that you can do is upsell a very complementary product. So let's talk about those cases before. If you're selling a phone case, you could upsell a screen protector because they go pretty much hand in hand. Someone's going to need it if they're buying a phone case. So there are two different strategies that you can use for upselling. Now, CBOs get the dough. Let's talk about Facebook adverts. So Facebook is moving to CBO system exclusively, only using CBOs come September 2019, which means if you are using any sort of ads, setting budgets at ad set level, then all those strategies are pretty much going to become redundant. So with that being said, I've been exclusively since the launch, since the announcement, I've been testing exclusively with just CBOs, trying to figure them out and get the best possible strategy down. And what I have done is I've just recently put a new video inside of my premium course. I'll talk about it at the end of this video on best practices, how to use them, what to happen if X, and all those sorts of things. And I'll talk about that a little at the end. So testing, what I'm testing is, I'll give you a brief overview now. Testing campaigns is $100 per campaign, 8 to 10 ad sets, all placements. I like to use all placements and let Facebook do the heavy lifting for me. And targeting on countries I'm targeting is ePacket, top English speaking countries. I rarely now go worldwide for testing. I only pretty much do it at the end of a winning campaign just to milk the very last sales out of a product. Now, when it comes to scaling, what you want to do is take the top 5 ad sets and, of course, out of that original CBO and move them into a new CBO with a budget of around about $200 to $300. And then in terms of scaling that CBO is increasing the budget every 2 profitable days by 50 to 100%. Now, this is of increasing budget I've found right now since the blackout has been working a lot better rather than duplicating. However, with that being said, duplicating CBOs that are working do still work great. But personally, I've found, increasing budget has been working good for me. But what works for me may not work for you. These are all just strategies, remember. So, winning product. Thank you for staying to the end. If you're here, then fist bump. let me reveal to you a winning product that you can test out. So this drill bit sharpener, what it does is it solves a problem. It basically helps you sharpen up your drill bits, your dual drill bits, so you don't have to go out and buy a new one and still get your jobs done. So if you want to see the actual advert, here it is here. Again, I'm not going to play the video, but you can see it's got decent engagement here. Was launched recently. Definitely worth a try out and improving upon this ad copy. And there is the product again on AliExpress, so you can source it and go and drop ship the product. Okay, go out and test it out. Targeting, of course, you can target tools, drills, drill bit, drill brands such as DeWalt or Milwaukee, I think it's called, something along those lines. You know, hardware stores, toolbox. The amount of interest for this product is endless. So go and test it out. If you make some sales, buy me a drink when you see me. If it doesn't, then no hard feelings. Okay. Now, of course, comment below. I love reading comments. Hashtag Beast Gang. And let me know what you learned from this video. Hopefully you got some value from it. I think we've covered some super cool things inside this video that are hopefully going to help you make some money. So let me know what you learned. I do try to reply to comments. I do read all of the comments and do try to reply to them as best as I possibly can. So hashtag Beast Gang. Comment down below. I'd really appreciate that if you do. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you did and you're not a subscriber, then you already know what to do. Make sure you hit the like, comment, and of course, smash that subscribe button. And be sure to, of course, to hit the notification bell as well, so that you don't miss out and you get notified, become a part of the Beast Gang for when my latest video drops. Now, if you want to learn more from me on a personal basis, then make sure you check out Ecom Beast 2.0, my course. There is a YouTube discount for YouTube viewers. If you put in YouTube 100, you're going to get $100 off the price. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a follow, and we can try and connect on there. I know I get tons of DMs and I am trying to reply to as many people as I can, but drop me a DM and no doubt I will get round to replying to it at some point. Make sure you join the free Facebook mastermind group as well. I'm in there, other marketers are in there. We talk about nothing but e-commerce, drop shipping, and all of that good stuff on a daily basis. The link for that will be down below, and a link for all of the apps and websites that were used as well inside of this video will be all down below as well. So that is it for this video, and I'll be back with another one, dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs for the Beast Gang. Take care, and I'll see you later.